Hello, marketers! Are you worried about your file sharing? Do you share files with clients and team members using a white label interface and custom access permissions? Need help to categorize digital brand assets and easily accessing them? So today I have developed software for you that allows you to share files with clients and team members using a white label interface and custom access permissions. Categorize digital brand assets and allow them to be easily accessed. So let's find out which software it is. The software I was talking about so far is Brandbay. Brandbay can organize and share digital assets for multiple clients or projects. Feature: keep your digital assets organized and tagged for convenient access. Share brand assets in a customizable white label interface. All your files are just one click away thanks to Brandbay's Chrome extension. Manage access permissions to keep your files in the right hands. And many more powerful features. Even you can download the Chrome extension. Price: they have 4 plans. One of them free, 1 brand, no group, no collections, 1 user client, 100 MB of storage, and media hosting for free. Basic: 5 brands, allow groups, allow collections, 2 users clients, 10 MB storage and media hosting for $12 per month billed monthly, and $8 per month billed annually. Pro: 20 brands, allow groups, allow collections, 5 users clients, 100 GB storage, and media hosting for $29 per month billed monthly, and $17 per month billed annually. And agency: 1,000 brands, allow groups, allow collections, 10 users clients, 2 GB storage and media hosting for $79 per month billed monthly, and $48 per month billed annually.
But they have some lifetime deals. Licensed Tier 1, 5 brands, 4 users clients collaboration seats, 100 GB of storage, and custom branding for $29 instead of $183.
Licensed Tier 2, 25 brands, 15 users clients collaboration seats, 400 GB of storage, and custom branding for $99 instead of $629. Licensed Tier 3, 100 brands, 50 users clients collaboration seats, 1 TB storage and custom branding for $219 instead of $1987. And Licensed Tier 4, unlimited brands, 120 users clients collaboration seats, 4 TB of storage, and custom branding for $349 instead of $4,747. Features included in all plans: Chrome extension, groups, collections, media hosting, brand workspaces, code snippets, notes, team access, team and client access with permission levels, smart search, automatic brand kit generation, favorites by brand. Customer review: you will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 17 reviews only on the Appsumo. That means it's completely new software. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh, wait. If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you!